Can you give us the quote and tell us a little bit about how you got that?
Indeed, I can. The quote is from Joseph Boyden. So on the front cover it says, "With Red Wolf, Jennifer Dance has come howling out of the wilderness, and I am deeply impressed."
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, people are saying, how did you get that? How did you get that? Well, believe it or not, I found him on Facebook. And I messaged him, and to begin with, he didn't get back to me, but I tried again, and then he did. And we had a few messages back and forward. I tried to keep it very short, but to let him know what it was about. And he said, send me a copy.
Wonderful.
We sent him an advance reading copy of the publisher, Dundurn, and he had about a month at that point in time before the book was going to print. So the night before the deadline, he emailed me saying that he was only halfway through, that he loved it. He thought that I was a great writer, and a natural, he said, but his schedule was frantic and he wasn't going to finish it in time, and he couldn't endorse it unless he'd read it all. So I was pretty disappointed.
Oh, yeah.
But at 7 o'clock next morning, there was an email from him with the quote.
Really?
No preamble, no letter that went with it, just the quote. With Red Wolf, Jennifer Dance has come howling out of the wilderness, and I'm deeply impressed.
Wow.
So the designer literally had an hour to get the quote on the cover before it went to print.
It's brilliant, though.
Yes, brilliant. It was so exciting. It's the highlight of my writing career thus far.
Oh, I'll tell you. It's really good to persevere, isn't it, as a writer?